Let's see what's in the tropics today. Oh,
Oh,
oh, oh,
that doesn't look good.
oh, wait a minute. Hang on. It has my name!
What? You're a hurricane now?
I'm a hurricane. 100 miles per hour, about ready to be 120 miles an hour into Cuba. Oh dear, I'm about to murder a bunch
Oh
of people.
no! No!
Satellite imagery, please. Oh dear, that is a large me.
Oh
Oh dear.
no! No!
Oh no.
Watch out, Cuba! Ian is on a rampage!
I'm on a rampage, Cuba. And watch out, Florida. Tampa, I'm coming for you, Tampa. I'm
No!
coming for you, Tampa, St. Petersburg, with my 115 to 85 to 115 mile an hour winds. I'm coming for you. With a peak winds of 140 miles an hour. Peak winds of 140 miles an hour. Oh, geez.
Oh no!
Oh, I'm about to give the Weather Channel a run for their money. Oh, dear.
Oh,
And I'm about to
I mean,
stall.
realistically, it's not funny, but the fact that it has your name makes it.
I anticipated this, knowing that this year's hurricane season has this name list with my name. Oh dear, looks like Cuba is about to get a run for their money as I'm about to destroy their culture.
Oh, poor Cuba.
Rest in peace to the western tip of Cuba, and rest in peace to anyone who dies because of me.
Oh no! No.
I'm a hurricane. I'm heading for you, Cuba, and I'm gonna be strong into Florida.
Ian has transformed into a hurricane and is
Cyclone.
going on a
Cyclone.
rampage.
I'm a cyclone. I am a cyclone. I've transformed into a
Ian has,
cyclone.
Ian
This is
has
going.
officially transformed into a storm. No!
Dude, 100 miles an hour, category 2. Oh dear, I'm heading for Cuba. Oh dear. The
Oh
model guidance is shifting towards a sharp turn to the northeast towards Florida and potentially into the Carolinas. Clearly, the National Hurricane Center is underestimating this, and they should be shifting the track a lot more eastward, and potentially a Cat 4, Cat 3 into Florida. Oh dear.
no! That's where like Disney World and Universal Studios is.
Yep, Disney World is gonna have to shut down because of this.
No!
Rest. Oh dear. Oh dear. This is going to be the intensity guidance. Oh
This is
dear.
awful. This is
Oh
awful.
dear.
This is awful.
Oh dear. In all seriousness, though, guys, in all seriousness, please evacuate if you're from Florida. Please evacuate. And if you're in the Bahamas, or if you're Cuba. If you're in Cuba, there's no time left. You're basically under the wrath of me. You're going under the wrath of me. All right, that's the video. Please stay safe. God bless. And
Yeah.
just stay safe if you're in Florida. Please evacuate. Please
Yeah.
don't risk your life and stay behind.
Yeah,
Please
please
stay safe.
note. Stuff like this, like hurricanes are definitely not funny. They should be like taken seriously. This was
It's
just a
supposed to be
joke.
funny. This
So
is
please
just
don't
a
take
joke
this
because
seriously.
Please don't take it seriously. This is just a joke because it's my name. And ignore the dogs in the background.
Welcome
But
back
yeah.
to another episode of Risabeli Talkative Dogs. Okay.
Yep, that's the video.
Yep, and we're out. See ya!